Okay, guys, welcome to 2.7 notes, solving proportions. Okay, and today should be a lot of review for most of us. Okay, so once again, everything I write down, you write down. Okay, and we'll try to keep this as quick a video as possible. Okay, the first thing we want to do is we want to write down the definition of a proportion. So a proportion is an equation, so it has an equal sign that states that two ratios are equal. Okay, remember a ratio is essentially just a fraction. Okay, so let's make sure we write that down on our paper, and I'll be checking for that. Okay, so let's get started. So what is the solution to the proportion 7 over 8? Okay, let's see if my mouse will work today. It looks like it is. Equals m over 12. Okay, so the way we solve proportions is by cross multiplication. Okay, so we're going to cross multiply. Okay, you guys might have heard of the fish method, or you might have heard of the butterfly method, whatever. But we're just going to call it cross multiplication. So let me draw what I'm talking about here. So I have these two fractions, and we're just going to multiply across. So 7 times 12. So 7 times 12 gives us 84. Okay, equals 8 times m. Okay, so 8m. Okay, so then I'm going to divide by 8, divide by 8. Okay, so m equals 10.5. Okay, so once again, I multiplied across here, I multiplied across here. No, I'm gonna, thank you. Okay, so we multiplied across here, and sorry about that, Mr. Link came to bug me. Okay, so multiply across here and across here, so 7 times 12 is 84, equals 8 times m is 8m, divide by 8, okay. So on 1, I have x divided by 7 equals 4 divided by 5, okay. So once again, we're going to multiply across here. So x times 5 is 5x equals, multiply across here, 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, divide by 5, divide by 5. And guys, I don't have a calculator on me, so you're going to get some nasty number. But 28 divided by 5. Okay, should be like 5.3 if I'm not, or 5.6 if I'm not mistaken. 5.6. Okay, so that's all we have to do. Okay, just cross multiply, and I know you guys have worked with that before, so hopefully a lot of this is just review for you. Okay, so on problem 2, once again, same thing. Okay, we've got 4 divided by 3 equals 8 divided by x. Okay, and I'm going to multiply across here. So 4 times x is 4x equals 3 times 8, which is 24. Okay, divide by 4, divide by 4. 4's cancel, so x equals 6. Okay, so once again, if you're having questions, if you're not understanding, go back, rewatch, see if something triggers the second time, or write your question down so that way we know how to work with it when we get to class. Okay, so once again, just like on problem 2, same thing. We got y, oh that's ugly, y equals 3 divided by 3 over 5. Okay, so I'm going to multiply here, so y times 5 gives me 5y equals 3 times 3, which is 9, divide by 5, divide by 5, so y equals 1.8. Okay. So once again, multiply straight across, set them equal. Okay, it doesn't matter which ones you multiply first either. We're gonna get that question a lot. It does not matter. Okay, you just have to multiply. Okay, so now on to problem 3, where it gets a little more fun. If this thing would get this here. Okay, problem 3. Okay, so what is the solution to the proportion? Yeah. Okay, so it's the same thing. Okay, the same thing. Just because there's more numbers, don't worry about it. We're going to multiply here. We're going to multiply here. So it's 4 times b minus 8 equals 5 times b plus 3. Okay, so remember, when we have this number outside of our parentheses, we distribute. Okay, so we distribute here and we distribute there. So 4 times b gives me 4b minus 4 times 8 gives me 32 equals 5 times b is 5b, and 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, then we just go into what we've been doing. Okay, then it's just back to right where we've been doing. So I subtract 4b, I subtract 4b, my b's cancel, and I'm left with negative 32 equals b plus 15. Okay, subtract 15, and b equals 47. Okay, circle it, and there we go. Okay, so once again, it's the same thing. It's the same cross multiplication. Okay, we just have to distribute. So I want you guys to actually try. I know when I say try, a lot of you actually don't, but I want you to try 3. Okay, try number 3. All we're going to do is we're going to multiply here, and we're going to multiply there. Okay, so 6 times n is 6n. I'll even, you know what, I'll even get you started. Equals 5 times 2n plus 4. Okay, then you just have to distribute. Okay, so I want you guys to try to finish this one. Try to finish this one. And then finally, to end our lovely video here, problem 4. Okay, so problem 4 once again is a word problem, and I know that freaks a lot of us out, but once again, just take the time to find the information. So a portable media player has 2 gigabytes of storage and can hold about 500 songs. Okay, so we have 2 gigs of storage, and that's about 500 songs. Okay, and that's equal to a similar device that has 80 gigs. Okay, so 80 gigs, and we want to find out how many songs can that hold. Do we know how many songs that can hold? No, so let's call it x. Okay, so now it's just cross multiplication. So we have, change colors here, 2x equals 40,000, I believe. Okay, so that's 2 times x equals 500 times 80. Okay, then we divide by 2, 2's cancel, and I get that x equals roughly 20, oh, that's a terrible zero, 20,000 songs. Okay, and guys, that's all I got for you. That's 7 minutes. That's quality there. Okay, so once again, fill everything out and have a good Labor Day weekend. Okay, stay safe.